a fall eye look today using Pomegranate, Bubba, Ginger, and Blondie. So this is going to be perfect fall colors. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the fluffy end of my brush and I'm going to put Bubba all over. Bubba is going to be my transition shade. So Bubba is beautiful on blue eyes. It's beautiful on other eye colors too, but I think it makes my blue eyes pop. So what I'm doing is just putting Bubba all over up until about my brow bone. And again, this is going to just act as a transition shade, a nice base for the other colors that I'm going to be using. I'm just using a windshield wiper motion, getting that Bubba all over where I want it. And I'm going to do a little darker on the other eye as well. All right, so that's step one. All right, that's step one. Now I'm going to take my Blondie, and I'm gonna use my finger for this. I'm gonna put Blondie on the inside corner of my eyelid. Just kind of bring it right to about the center of my eye, like right over my pupil. And I'm using my finger because I really want this color to pop and I want the pigmentation to show. I'm gonna do the same thing on my other eye. About right to above my pupil. And I'm gonna kind of bring that color down as well. To the corner. Okay, so that's where I'm at so far. All right, so now I'm gonna take Ginger. Ginger is like the epitome of fall color. So Ginger is going to go on the outside half of my eyelid. Don't worry, I'm gonna blend this a little bit. So outside half, like look how gorgeous that is. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Pomegranate, which is this beautiful color right here. I'm just gonna gently tap my eyeshadow brush in, and I'm gonna just very gently put this in my crease. I don't want this color to overpower the other colors, so I am just gently putting it in my crease. Again, we're just using that windshield wiper motion. And then I'm gonna go in and I'm going to very lightly blend these two colors together. I don't want a like huge separation between the colors. I just want them to look a little bit more seamless. Okay, so what am I working with here? Blend out that pomegranate a little bit more. I don't know what that black dot is on my face. Well, a couple of them, there we go. Okay, so now I am going to take that pomegranate color and I'm actually going to use that as my liner as well. So I'm going to take my smaller end of my brush, tap it in, and then I'm just going to swipe that pomegranate under my lower lash line. Adds that deep color underneath my eye to bring that down. Okay, so now I've got some fallout. So all I'm going to do is take my blend brush or whatever brush you really want to do, and I'm going to clean up the edges a little bit with my brightening highlight. Just a little trick for when you mess up a little bit. See how that cleans it up? So I'm just making that line a little bit more crisp so it doesn't look like I have that fallout. All right, and then last but not least, I'm gonna take a little bit of that Blondie and I'm gonna sweep it under my brow bone, or my brow, to just bring a little bit of shimmer up there as well. And that is it. That is my fall eye look. And again, I used Bubba, Pomegranate, Blondie, and Ginger.